Hello everyone, hope you all are doing well. Today I am here with another topic about overeating and how you are going to measure that you are actually eating excessive. See, there are different aspects in eating as well, like it depends on your age, your height, and your work. So if we go much deep into that subject, then the video will be too long. So in brief, I just want to touch this topic and I want to share very important aspects about it. See, there is a vicious circle about overeating. You may be overeating because of stress. So to release that stress, people overeat. Or another thing is there are people who just love to eat different varieties of food, and sometimes they just don't understand how much to eat, so they just overeat. And obviously it causes so many problems, not just physically but mentally and emotionally. Basically when you overeat, obviously its effects are not at all good. Either you will gain the weight, or another thing is you may find few other diseases like maybe diabetes or heart related problem. Could be about too much gas in your body. We all need specific balance in our body. So if you do anything excessive, that affects our body. And when that weight gain and everything starts happening, then again you take that stress. Oh, this is happening with me. And again to release that stress, to relieve that stress, again you overeat. See, not necessarily each and every person will eat more to relieve the stress, but it's scientifically proven that there are people who eat a lot to release the stress. Now there are different types of food available for breakfast, lunch and dinner, but to make it easy, I will let you know in this way. If you are eating rotis for lunch and dinner, then obviously for breakfast normally we don't eat rotis, but to that proportion if I want to tell you, then we always say our breakfast should be like a king. So if you are having, let's say, 5 rotis for breakfast, then for lunch, which should be like a middle class person, so you should be having 2.5 or at least 3 rotis. And then for dinner, which should be like a beggar, so you can have 2 rotis. So just try to eat in this proportion. Again I say, giving the example of roti was much simpler than giving example of other food items. So just eat in that proportion, and in between your breakfast, lunch, in between your lunch and dinner, uh, have your water, and check my video about water intake. And if you just go on doing like this, proper proportion of food, proper proportion of water plus exercise, then just check your body, not just physically, but you will be fit emotionally and mentally as well. So no stress, you will be just happy. So if you really want to live your life happily and healthy, just try this. Okay, thank you so much everyone. I'll come back again with another video. Thank you.